In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Canva to your Wix website step by step. This is perfect if you've designed graphics, presentations, banners, or any visual content in Canva and you want to display it directly on your Wix site without downloading and re-uploading files. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and works great in 2026. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and design tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account using your email, Google, or any login method you normally use. Once you're inside Canva, either open an existing design or select any template you want to use for your website. This could be a banner, a presentation, an infographic, or any visual element you plan to embed on your Wix site. After opening the design, look toward the top right corner of the Canva editor and click on the Share button. A menu will open with several sharing options. From this menu, click on the three dots to reveal more options. This will give you access to advanced sharing features. Next, find and click on the option called Embed. Canva will then show you an embed preview along with some settings. Go ahead and click on Embed again to continue. Canva will now generate an embed code specifically for this design. This code allows your design to be displayed live on another website. Once the embed code appears, click on the Copy button. This copies the entire embed code to your clipboard. Make sure you don't edit or remove anything from this code, as it's required for the design to work properly on your website. Now that the Canva part is done, let's move over to Wix. Open a new tab and go to your Wix Studio editor. Log into your Wix account and open the website where you want to add the Canva design. Once your site editor loads, click on Add Elements. In the search bar, type the word Embed. From the options that appear, click on Embed Code. This will allow you to insert custom code into your Wix page. Drag the embed code element onto the page where your Canva design to appear. After placing the embed element, paste the Canva embed code that you copied earlier directly into the code box. Once pasted, click on Update to apply the changes. You should now see your Canva design displayed live inside your Wix website. You can resize or reposition the embed element to fit your page layout perfectly. When everything looks good, don't forget to save and publish your site so the changes go live. And that's it! You've successfully connected Canva to your Wix website using embed code. This is a great way to keep your designs updated in real time without re-uploading files every time you make a change in Canva. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix and Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.